There are places that don't need crowds to be grand. The Barrocal Dam near Natureza in Évora is one of those places. Built in 1953, with stone pulled from the very ground it stands on, it endures. Silent yet present. Here, time doesn't run, it walks. And each step echoes in the stillness of the water, in the wind brushing through cork oaks, in the sun that paints the sky in gold. There are no signs saying, "Visit me," no lines. But there's history in the stones, memory in the banks, and soul, so much soul, in this forgotten corner of the Alentejo. It's here we realize that greatness isn't measured in size, but in essence. It's here that silence speaks louder than any speech, and nature, in all its simplicity, teaches us to endure, to persist, and simply to be. The Barrocal Dam doesn't shout, it whispers, and those who know how to listen never forget it.